After Google, Microsoft is came back with a wonderful opportunity for the freshers and for the students and working professionals. Microsoft Fabric Database free certificate and free goodies is giving and free programs. Microsoft just shocked the tech world with one of the biggest learning opportunities of 2025. Get ready for something incredible. Microsoft's comprehensive 50-day program is designed to transform you into data and AI powerhouse, whether you are a started fresh or else leveling up. This is your launchpad. 7 weeks of intensive hands-on learning that's fit your schedule. Join global community deep diving into Microsoft Fabric from November 4th to December 23rd. It's going on. What's inside? It's live expert sessions. Learn directly from the Microsoft certified professionals and industry leaders. Interact Dataviz Context and show off your creative skills. Complete with the pace worldwide to create stunning data visualizations. And also, winners get exclusive recognition and premium swag. Challenges are tackled into a with guided challenges and build practical skills, work with the actual data sets and solve problems companies and face every day. Portfolio worthy projects included. Connect with the motivated learners globally, share insights and troubleshoot together and build lasting professional connections. And this package includes official certification, community support and Microsoft swag. And the career starts here in 2026. Future proof your skills. Data and AI roles are exploding pairs and zero financial risk. And who should join? You can join students and career switchers and AI data beginners and working professionals. And they're ready to transform your future. Just comment down below. Just you are applying below, and I will send you the